and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 science teacher. Today in today's class I have taken the revision test of chapter 1 Life on Earth, and mashallah the students have responded very well. It means they have done a very nice revision on the first chapter Life on Earth. The next weekend I will give another chapter number 2 also for revision. In the meantime, today I have told them to do a project in which they have to paste the picture of two land trees and two water trees, so that it will make a project. And I have shared it in the WhatsApp group also, that they have to take a computer paper and they have to paste two land plants and two water plants, and then they can write on it with the help very nicely with the help of markers also. And after completing it on the computer paper, they can paste in their copies. In the meantime, we have studied about the hydroponics, and that is from page number 30. I explained them page number 30, that what is hydroponics. Hydroponics is the process of growing plants in water instead of soil. Some plants can be grown only in the soil, but they can also be grown in the water, and the process that is used is called hydroponics. Now what happens, how is it grown, how the land plants are grown in water? The way is that nutrients are added to the water to help the plants grow. Now hydroponics is very useful because it allows the growth of plants in places where they normally would not grow, like land plants do not grow on water, or where there is little availability of farming land, so it can be grown in the water. And it is also easier to control the amount of nutrients and water to the plants, because where the plants are clean and rich in useful minerals. Now more plants can be grown in a smaller area with the help of hydroponics, because it will take only a little piece of water. You can see the little piece of water, and then the plants are grown. They are grown in long tubes like this. They are grown on long tubes, and these long tubes are filled with water, or they can be grown on these blocks. You can see the blocks that are floating in water. These plants can be grown like this way, or with the help of these pipes. So this is with the process of hydroponics. The plants that are grown on the land, they can be grown on water. And the homework is you have to read page number 30, this page, and you have to make the project on the computer paper and then paste in your copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.